Oh, 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 yeah, we are, yeah. In the dark you found me, yeah, yeah. I was heavy, I was losing my way. Voices in my head, I had nothing to say. Then you pulled me out of the deepest pain. Called my name through the pouring rain. I was low, I was barely alive, but your mercy came and opened my eyes. Now I walk like I finally belong, 'cause Yahweh turned my weakness strong. Oh, I was broken, you restored my soul. Now I'm burning, but I'm in control. Every scar that I used to hide turns to glory when you're inside. Yahweh, Yahweh, you are my light. You lift me up when I lose the fight. Yahweh, Yahweh, hear my cry. I feel your love when I touch the sky. Yahweh, Yahweh, take my pain, turn my ashes into flame. Yahweh, Yahweh, I call your name and nothing in me stays the same. I try to run, but you stay right here. Even in silence, just to hear you near. Now my heart don't fear anymore. You opened every locked up door. I was empty, but you made me whole. You put rhythm back inside my soul. Now I sing even through the night, 'cause Yahweh, you are my life. Yahweh, Yahweh, you are my life. You lift me up, you are my life. Yahweh, hear my cry. I feel your love when I touch the sky. Yahweh, Yahweh, take my pain, turn my ashes into flame. Yahweh, I call your name and nothing in me stays the same.